Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And your Microsoft Store is not downloading any app. So how to fix? So first, guys, you have to check your internet is not working or not in your system. And second, click to start. Second method, click to start and then click to setting. Then click to time and language. And after that, click to date and time. Please check incorrect date and time. Microsoft stopped connecting its server issue. So after that, you can see it will set the, if it is turned off. So please click to turn on. So after that, it will come the and select your zone where I belong from. Okay. So and after that, it will detect automatically date and time. Okay, so when it's wrong time, so also getting issues in your download app. Okay, then close it. Next, guys, reset Microsoft Store cache. So click to run, then right click to you can open directly and then type this command. Okay, which is ws reset.exe, and then click to ex, and after that it will open the Microsoft Store. Okay, so next level, reset the Microsoft Store caches, then close it. Then next, repair and reset the Microsoft Store. So click to start and then click on setting and then click to app, then install app. Okay, so you can find out the Microsoft Store in this tab, install app. So sometime it will get here and sometime not. It will show in the component, system component. Okay, so you can see Microsoft Store. Otherwise, you can search also in the search bar. Then click on three dot, then click to advanced option. After that, scroll down, click to reset and then repair, and then single click to terminate and then close it. Guys, after that, restart your system and then please check it, and please comment me your issue is resolved or not. Thank you.